Surfaces for acrylic painting. Welcome to today's video. If you're new to acrylic painting or looking to expand your creativity, you might be wondering, what surfaces can you actually paint on with acrylics? The good news is that acrylics are incredibly versatile. They adhere to a wide range of surfaces, each offering unique effects and possibilities. In this video, we'll explore the best surfaces for acrylic painting, how to prepare them, and tips to get the most out of your artwork. Let's get started. Canvas is the go-to surface for most acrylic painters. It comes in different types, including white heavy checkmark stretched canvas, pre-stretched and stapled onto a wooden frame. These are ready to use and great for professional-looking artwork. White heavy checkmark canvas panels, a more affordable option. These are great for beginners or practice pieces. White heavy checkmark canvas paper, a budget-friendly alternative, ideal for sketching ideas or quick studies. Artist palette tip: always check if your canvas is primed with gesso. If it's unprimed, apply a few layers of gesso to create a smoother, more absorbent surface for better paint adhesion. 2. Acrylic paper, perfect for studies and sketches. Acrylic paper is specially designed to handle acrylic paints without warping or tearing. It's a great option if you prefer working on paper rather than canvas. Artist palette tip: use heavier weight paper, at least 300 GSM, to prevent buckling. You can also tape it down for extra stability. Wood panels, a sturdy, durable surface. Wood panels provide a rigid, long-lasting surface, making them perfect for detailed work. Popular options include white heavy checkmark birch plywood, smooth and durable, great for professional artwork. White heavy checkmark MDF, medium density fiberboard, a more affordable choice, but it needs sealing before use. Artist palette prep tip: sand the surface lightly and apply a few coats of gesso to prevent paint from absorbing too quickly into the wood. Acrylic sheets and plexiglass, a modern, glossy option. Acrylic sheets or plexiglass create a smooth, non-porous surface that allows for vibrant color application. Artist palette tip: lightly sand the surface or use an acrylic primer to help the paint adhere better. Glass and mirrors, for unique, translucent effects. Glass and mirrors offer a sleek, glossy surface for acrylic painting. The transparency of glass allows for creative, layered effects. Artist palette prep tip: use a primer like clear gesso or matte medium to help the paint stick. For long-lasting results, seal your artwork with a varnish. Fabric and textiles, custom clothing and home decor. Acrylics can be used on fabrics to create custom-painted clothes, tote bags, or cushions. Artist palette tip: mix your paint with a fabric medium to make it flexible and washable. Heat set your design with an iron to ensure durability. Metal, a bold, industrial look. Metal surfaces like aluminum, tin, or stainless steel can be painted with acrylics for a contemporary, edgy style. Artist palette prep tip: clean the metal surface thoroughly and apply an acrylic bonding primer before painting to ensure good adhesion. Rocks and stones, great for decorative art. Rock painting is a fun and popular way to use acrylics. Smooth river stones work best for detailed designs. Artist palette tip: wash and dry your rocks before painting. Seal the finished piece with a waterproof varnish for outdoor durability. Cardboard, a budget-friendly surface. Cardboard is an accessible, eco-friendly surface for acrylic painting. It's great for practice, experimentation, or mixed media projects. Artist palette prep tip: apply a layer of gesso to prevent warping and absorb excess moisture. Walls, large-scale acrylic murals. Yes, acrylic paints can be used on walls for stunning mural art. They're vibrant, quick-drying, and long-lasting. Artist palette tip: use interior or exterior acrylic paints designed for walls and seal your mural with a protective varnish. As you can see, acrylic paints can be used on a wide variety of surfaces, from traditional canvas to unconventional materials like glass, metal, and even fabric. The key is proper surface preparation to ensure durability and vibrant results. Which surface do you want to try next? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more painting tips and tutorials. Happy painting, and I'll see you in the next video.